So we're at Falling Creek, one of the side trails. Oh, what is that? That's different. I don't know if you can see that. It's pretty small down there. It's an interesting kind of inverted cone-shaped fungi. Ah, glasses. Spiders are insane. Holy crap. You can tell it's summer in Florida. Golden orb weavers everywhere. Ooh. Oh, and sometimes you gotta rearrange things a little bit to get the picture. Got some shelf fungus. I gotta buy a better ball head. I generally like Neewer's products, but this one sags a little bit after setting it, and it really bugs me. Well, it got hot fast. 10 minutes ago it seemed pretty nice, and now I'm sweating my butt off. I haven't seen a single insect. It looks like maybe some dog vomit fungus or whatever it's called. That's what it looks like. Definitely looks like dog vomit. Definitely not worth photographing. That's lovely. Somebody's boxer shorts. That's what you want to find out in the woods. Just randomly laying about. Oh man, I gotta get down in there and get some pictures. Be a good place to find fossils and arrowheads if it wasn't in a park where it's, I'm sure, illegal to collect. I might should come out here for some bird photography sometime. That is absolutely beautiful. Need a wide angle lens out here. Really appreciate this creek. I feel the view on the 100mm is just too narrow to appreciate it. Let's see what we got down here. Oops. Oh, hey, look at that. Right around the corner in Tick Haven, I find some fungi. And all the mosquitoes. Sadly, it's nothing I don't have in the yard. Oh, those are interesting. So, how do we set up for this? Glasses. I don't know if you can see that tiny little thing there. Nice rich colors. Alright, so we're gonna focus right at the base of the closest one. I think that's going to be a nice one. Now let's see if we can get some closer shots. Alright. Boy, that last battery was really hot when I took it out. I don't like that. Alright, let's make it just a little less problematic. Oh, look at that view. The sun on the moss. It's beautiful. Absolutely beautiful.